Tokyo, a city where ancient traditions seamlessly blend with cutting-edge technology, is a place of constant transformation. From the age of the samurai to the towering skyscrapers that define its skyline today, Tokyo's story is one of resilience, reinvention, and relentless progress. As we journey through its history, we'll uncover how this once isolated samurai stronghold evolved into one of the most dynamic metropolises on the planet. Tokyo's origins date back to the early Edo period, when it was known as Edo, a small fishing village that gained prominence in 1603. That year, Tokugawa Ieyasu established the Tokugawa shogunate, marking the beginning of the Edo period, 1603 to 1868. Edo quickly grew into the political and cultural heart of Japan, governed by the strict yet highly organized rule of the samurai. The city flourished under the shogunate, with infrastructure expanding, castle towns developing, and a sophisticated urban culture emerging. The samurai, while warriors by tradition, became administrators and intellectuals, contributing to Edo's economic and artistic advancements. This era also saw the rise of kabuki theater, ukiyo-e woodblock prints, and the vibrant merchant district of Nyanbashi, laying the foundation for modern Tokyo's cultural identity. Despite its stability, Edo's isolationist policies, part of the Sakoku, closed country, system, meant Japan remained cut off from much of the world. That changed in 1853, when Commodore Matthew Perry's black ships arrived from the United States, forcing Japan to open its ports to foreign trade. This event triggered the fall of the Tokugawa shogunate and the Meiji Restoration in 1868, a pivotal moment that transformed Edo into Tokyo, the new imperial capital. The samurai class was dissolved, and Japan embarked on a rapid modernization process, adopting Western technology, railways, and industry while striving to maintain its cultural heritage. By the early 20th century, Tokyo had become an international city, with grand Western-style buildings standing alongside traditional wooden structures. However, Tokyo's transformation was not without hardship. The Great Kanto earthquake of 1923 devastated the city, killing over 100,000 people and leveling much of its infrastructure. Yet, like a phoenix, Tokyo rebuilt itself, only to face destruction again during World War II, when American air raids reduced large parts of the city to ashes. But Japan's post-war recovery was nothing short of miraculous. Fueled by determination and economic reforms, Tokyo rapidly industrialized, becoming the heart of Japan's economic miracle in the 1950s and 60s. By the time Tokyo hosted the 1964 Olympics, it had fully cemented itself as a global powerhouse, showcasing bullet trains, futuristic architecture, and a newfound international presence. Today, Tokyo is a city of contrasts. Ancient temples like Sensoji and Asakusa stand in the shadows of gleaming skyscrapers in Shinjuku and Shibuya. The spirit of the samurai lives on in places like the Edo-Tokyo Museum and the preserved streets of Kagurazaka, while the neon-lit streets of Akihabara and the hypermodern districts of Odaiba represent Tokyo's technological dominance. The city is a testament to adaptability, embracing the future while respecting its past. Whether exploring the historic gardens of the Imperial Palace, marveling at the towering Tokyo Skytree, or navigating the world's busiest pedestrian crossing at Shibuya, every corner of Tokyo tells a story of transformation. Tokyo is more than just a city. It's a living chronicle of Japan's evolution. From samurai to skyscrapers, its history is one of strength, reinvention, and unyielding ambition. If you're fascinated by Tokyo's incredible journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into history and travel. What's your favorite thing about Tokyo? Let us know in the comments below.